Hi, I'm the BossProblemBuster, founder of the Pay Raise Commando, a senior organizational consultant of 24 years, having worked across cultures, industries, and ranks with 7,250 employees trained between us, my team and I. I'm also a social psychologist with a master's and a bachelor's degrees, both with honors. My team and I train passed over corporate professionals like you to get that pay raise and promotion you're overdue for so that you can finally kill your Monday blues before you sink further and bring your inner joy back, which is the best part of my job and the goal of this channel. Kill your Monday blues and bring your inner joy back. Now, back to the salt mines. Now to part 2 of this fix, shift, communicate, manage. Communicate. Communicate the nature of your relationship to your teammates and boss. What will hinder this part of the fix? Thinking you can hide it. You cannot. What will help with this part of the fix? Realizing you are not good enough actors. Sorry to potentially dampen your artistic sensibility, guys, but you are not. Everybody knows something is going on with you two. There are 4 issues here. Finally, something exists in the world that does not come in threes. What a relief. The 4 issues are A, why you need to communicate the nature of your relationship to your teammates and boss. B, the strategy for this communication. C, the exact timing. And D, communicate the end as well. Let's check each issue out. A, why do you need to communicate the nature of your relationship to your teammates and boss? Because, well, 2 reasons: control and pragmatism. You want to take control over any bit of information that has to do with you as an individual and now as a couple too. If you don't, people will project their ideas onto you. Why would you let this happen? It is never good. People will wittingly and unwittingly twist and distort who you really are, and that would drive you mad. You want that promotion and pay raise. You cannot afford not being in control of your image and the brand that stems from it. We expand on fixing your brand here. And in regards to pragmatism, if you can't beat them, join them. From the moment you and Schmoopy were on each other's radar, everybody knew something was going on, and those who didn't know suspected, i.e. the coworkers and colleagues who don't work as closely with you. How could they possibly know? Well, people who spend the better part of the day with you every day, sometimes for years, have you all figured out. They know your gaze, they know your patterns of speech, like a tone of voice or degree of matter-of-factness, for example. They know all that through your interactions with them as dispassionate coworkers. Therefore, it is easy for them to detect the difference when you gaze at or speak with Schmoopy, even when the difference is subtle because you are trying to hide it. It might be embarrassing for you to acknowledge this fact, because it's always unsettling to realize you are exposed when you think you are being discreet. Nevertheless, this is the truth. Simply realize it. That's it. You should consider the same type of communication to clients and vendors, and for the same reasons. Here are the three, of course, considerations for making this call. 1. Both you and Schmoopy are working closely with these clients and vendors on a regular basis. 2. There is a camaraderie between all of you that has expanded from the strictly professional to the personal. And 3. They are working closely with other members of your team as well, so they are bound at some point to be exposed to or even intentionally included in the grapevine loop. If all these considerations apply, communicate your relationship to them as well. I will give you exact step-by-step actions on this topic as well, but because of time constraints, We'll do so in the next video. If you'd like the full transcript of this video and all the videos on this channel, see the link in the description. It's on our website, BossProblemBuster.com, because it's too long to paste here, so not a trick to get you there. But if you do hop over, you'll find many practical reads and a forum where you can discreetly and anonymously ask us anything in regards to landing that promotion and pay raise, to which we reply very quickly. Each video drops inconvenient truth bombs on you right, left, and center, all very direct, pragmatic, and very much non-PC. No fluff, no bullshit. So, if you'd like to get a promotion with a pay raise, or a pay raise independent of a promotion, kill your Monday blues and bring your inner joy back, and if you can handle the truth, you can handle the truth. I'm channeling Jack Nicholson. Then subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so that we can meet again. And until then, go back to work. You know, I can't help you get that promotion and pay raise if you don't actually do the job.